How to verify Apple Pay on Navy Federal app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can verify Apple Pay on your Navy Federal app. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is simply make sure that you have the credit card or debit card of your Federal Navy. And after you do that, simply open up the wallet app on your iPhone. And after you do that, swipe down and tap on the plus icon. As you can see right here, tap on the plus icon. Use your eyesight camera to enter the card, or you can add it manually. If you want to add it manually, you will need to type in your account number, your CVV code, and many more options there. So as you can see right here, if your Navy card is already in iTunes, just key in the security code and you're good to go. So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can verify Apple Pay on your Navy Federal app. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.